This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new subscription to the channel, and this is the Walt Life Box. This is a Disney inspired subscription and I'm super excited to open it. When they reached out to me, I was so excited because I have 2 different trips to Disney planned. I live very close to Disneyland, so my sister-in-laws came down and we went, and my husband and I are gonna go over the next couple weeks. So I'm super excited. This came at the perfect time and I can't wait to open it up. I do have a code that will save you $10 off your first box. It is EllieDanielle 10, so use that at checkout to save yourself some money. I have no idea what's in here and I can't wait to find out. So let's go ahead and open this up. I also want to say thank you so much to Walt Life for sending this to me. I can't wait. Okay, so on the front, it says, today is your day. And then on the side, it says, it's not a dream, it's Walt lifetime. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, look how fun this is. Okay, so there's a giveaway in here. If you share, post, you can win an awesome prize. And then there are riddles. That's fun. I'm a hard worker and leap into big things. I can be busy, but I love family and making gumbo. I have everything that I need. I think that's Tiana. I'm gonna guess that's Tiana. And then riddle 2 is I have fantastic biceps. I deserve all the best things. I love sports, but dislike reading and thinking. I love myself, but who wouldn't? I'm gonna guess that's Gaston. We'll find out when we get to the bottom of the box. I'm seeing a bunch of stuff in here. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. So the first thing I'm seeing in here under all the crinkle paper is this, which is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is a Minnie Mouse figurine. This is from the Walt Disney World 50th anniversary, and it is so cute. It's Minnie Mouse on the Prince Charming Regal carousel. This is so cute. So this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. I have so many Disney friends in my life, and a lot of them collect Funko Pops, so I am so excited. I might keep this for myself, but I feel like this would make such a good gift. I might have to consider giving it. Oh my goodness. I see a hat. This is so cute. Kona's very interested in the hat. This is not for you. You cannot wear the hat. Okay, so this is the hat. This is so cute. It has dog hair on it because she was very interested, but look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So it says rock the bow and then dots it, the little mini shoes and her bow. This is so cute. It is a Velcro adjustable and it is a cute baseball cap. Ooh, she cute, she cute. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, I love this. I'm gonna wear this to Disney. Okay, we have, ooh, a postcard. This is so cute. Okay, it's the prince from Tangled. It's so cute. I have been getting really into card making and scrapbooking, and I love just sending handwritten cards to people. So this is gonna be so fun to send to someone. Just what a cute little thing to get in the mail, and this is such a good prince. So super cute that that's in here. Ooh, okay, next up, I have a pin. Oh my goodness, and it's Stitch. Oh my goodness, my sister-in-law is obsessed with Stitch, so she's gonna be pretty sad if I didn't give this to her, so this will be going to her, but oh my goodness, it's so cute. He's on a little surfboard, he's doing the little cowabunga. I love this pin. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is such a cute box. Oh my goodness, if you are a Disney lover, this is amazing. And what a great gift this would be for someone too. Okay, this is really pretty. This is a Minnie Mouse necklace. It is kind of like bejeweled on the inside, and it's from a brand called Neon Tuesday. And oh, it's a bracelet. Okay, cute. And it actually has a retail price on here of $44.95, which is really good. So That's exciting. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, this is the last thing in here. Let me take it out of the plastic. Okay, so this is from Alice Through the Looking Glass, and this is the Chronosphere keyring. It is a replica from the movie, and it spins. This is so pretty. This is really cool, and it's really fun to fidget with also, which is an added bonus. This is so cool. I actually have not seen this movie yet. Oh, cool. Also, this packaging is so pretty. It's like iridescent. Fun. I feel like you get a really good variety of items. You got an apparel item with the hat. You got the Funko Pop, which is a great collectible. You have a piece of jewelry. You have a key ring, and you have a stitch pin. This is so cool. Oh, and you get the postcard. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, which is great. And everything is licensed by Disney, which is fantastic. These are things that I haven't actually seen in the stores either, which is really cool. So you can get something a little different that you wouldn't normally find. And if you have a Disney lover in your life, this is great to either give as gifts or to give the whole subscription as a gift. I think that would be such a fantastic gift for a Disney lover. How cute. If you were curious, I was correct that the riddle answers were Tiana and Gaston. On the bottom, it says, you are capable of amazing things, which is so cute. This is so fun. It also says, can you find all the hidden messages in the box? Disassembly may be required, which is so fun. So you can take apart the box and it would be like a fun little trivia thing to find. That is so cute. What great packaging, what a great selection. I really had fun with this box, and I feel like this is something a little different. I haven't seen anything quite like this out on the market, and I feel like this is gonna be a big hit. So if you are interested in giving this box a try, use my code to save yourself $10 off your first box. And thank you so much to Walt Life for sending this to me. This is such a fun subscription, and I am so excited about these pieces. If you are a subscriber to Walt Life already, let everyone know what your experience has been, and let me know what your favorite product in here was. I'm also very curious, what is your favorite Disney movie? Mine is Meet the Robinsons. I feel like it's underrated. It doesn't get the attention that it deserves. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe so I can see you in the next one. If you do, I will see you then. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.